In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter discount codes on Gumroad using an easy method. Whether you're new to Gumroad or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will help you apply discounts to your products efficiently. First, let's start by heading over to the Gumroad website. If you haven't already done so, open your preferred web browser and type in gumroad.com in the address bar. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by the Gumroad homepage. To proceed, you need to log into your account. Direct your attention to the top right corner of the homepage, and you'll see the Login button. Click on Login to proceed to the login page. Here you'll have multiple options to sign in. For a quick and seamless experience, click on the Sign In with Google button. Choose the Google account associated with your Gumroad profile to proceed. If you're not signed into your Google account already, you will be prompted to do so. Once you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your Gumroad dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see various options related to your products and account management. Our next step is to navigate to the checkout settings. Look for the settings menu or directly click on checkout, which should be prominently displayed on the dashboard. Click on it to open the checkout management section. In the checkout section, we're interested in discounts, so locate and click on discounts. You should see an option to create a new discount here. Click on the new discount button to start setting up your discount code. The first thing you'll need to do is input a name for your discount. Choose a name that's descriptive or specific to the promotion you're running, as it will help you identify it easily later on. Type the name into the provided field. Next, you can customize the actual discount code that your customers will enter to receive the discount. Click on the discount code field and edit it to something memorable or a catchy phrase related to your brand or promotion. Now let's link this discount to the products you want to apply it to. Click on the products section within the discount creation page. Here you can choose a specific product from your catalog or opt to apply the discount across all your products available on Gumroad. Once you've selected the products, it's time to decide on the percentage of the discount. Enter the desired discount percentage in the percentage field. It's important to balance your discount to both attract customers and maintain profitability, so consider this carefully. Finally, with all these details filled out, click on the Add Discount button to save your newly created discount code. And that's it. Your discount code is now set up and ready for your customers to use. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to efficiently enter discount codes on Gumroad. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Gumroad.